Hey, what is up? So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Tag Manager for your WooCommerce website. This is a backend of our website, and this is our dummy website, as you can see. And we're going to set up a fresh Google Tag Manager as well. So without wasting any time, let us start with the video. So let us start with the video while setting up the Google Tag Manager. So first of all, you have to search for the Google Tag Manager, and you have to just press on the first link. Then you have to press this button that's called Start for Free, and it will automatically open a new tab. And for the first time, you will see something like this. After we click on this create account button, and you will see something like this. And from here, you have to enter your account name. That could be your a website name. So I'm going to add here as my website name, not a URL, just a name. Then we have to select our country, and as I live in India, so I'm going to select the India here. Then we have to enter the website URL here, and let us copy this URL, and we have just copy this URL from this to this, and note this HTTPS column. Okay, so just paste it here, and we have to select the targeted platform. As we have website, so we have to select this web option, and then just press this create button. Just accept this term and condition, and just click on yes. Okay, now we have set up the account of the Google Tag Manager, and now we have to set up our the backend of our website. Okay, now we have to edit this section, and this is basically the backend of our website. And from here, we have to go to the plugin section, and this is a plugin section here. Just click here. Okay, from here, we just have to click add a plugin, because we're going to add a new plugin here. So just search for the GTM for WP. That's mean Google Tag Manager for WordPress. Okay, this is a plugin that we're gonna install, and just believe me, this is the best plugin that you can install for the Google Tag Manager. And just press this button that's called install now. Okay, wait for some seconds here. Okay, it's successfully installed here, and just press this activate button. Okay, we have successfully installed this plugin, and we just have to find out. So this is our plugin, and we have to press here on the setting option. Okay, now from here, we have to enter our Google Tag Manager ID, and where we can find this. So we have to go to our Google Tag Manager account as well. So this is our ID as we have already set up, and if you by mistake, if you have removed this settings, so how you can find it again. So this is our ID. So what you can do is just simply copy this one and paste it here, and make sure container code on and off on this section you just selected by on, and after click on the save changes. Okay, now because we have a e-commerce website, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a additional step here. So what we're gonna do is basically go to the integration section and select the WooCommerce. After selecting this WooCommerce, and in this section that's called track e-commerce, we have to check this option. And after checking this option, just click on this button that's called save changes. Okay, by default, we have to turn it on again. That's called container code on and off. Just turn it on again and just click on the save changes. Okay, now we have done with all the changes, and now let's just verify it. How we can verify it? Just press on this code that's called a Google Tag Manager ID, and you will see here a section that's called test your website. Okay, if our Google Tag Manager is successfully set up on this website, so after just putting up this website, just click on this test button. It will show a green check mark. So let us wait for some second here. Okay, as you can see, it shows a green check mark here. That's mean our Google Tag Manager is successfully installed on our website. And now we just have to submit this, and just click on the sub, and just click on this continue button. Okay, now we have successfully submit on the first section, of the Google Tag Manager, and we have already set up this one. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you can do consider to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.